Hello YouTube, how stress affects the skin. Our epidermis and nervous system develop from the ectoderm, a common germ layer. During stress, the nervous system sends a signal to the skin, we have problems. Why and how stress affects the condition of the skin, says a cosmetologist, dermatovenerologist. Effects of stress on the skin. Stress is the body's response to a stimulus. When we find ourselves in a stressful situation, the nervous system instantly turns on, followed by the hormonal system. Stress hormones, cortisol, adrenaline, norepinephrine, are released into the blood. On this background, blood microcirculation slows down. There is a spasm of blood vessels and capillaries. The level of estrogen hormones responsible for the quality and youthfulness of the skin decreases. The immune system of the skin is weakened. Hyaluronidase is produced, an enzyme that breaks down hyaluronic acid. The longer we shake off, the worse the effects will be on the skin. In the long term, chronic stress slows down the renewal of skin cells due to the fading of the stratum corneum of the epidermis. Reduces the ability of the protective barrier to repel the attacks of pathogenic, bad, microorganisms, control the reproduction of opportunistic microorganisms that make up the microbiome, and neutralize free radicals. Leads to superficial wrinkles as we lose hyaluronic acid. Makes the skin hypersensitive to allergens, the sun, wind and even the usual components of cosmetics. Subcutaneous rashes, redness, itching, tightness may appear. Leads to excessive synthesis of sebum and exacerbation of acne. First aid for stressed skin. First of all, try to mitigate the effect of stress on the body by increasing the levels of 4 hormones in the body: dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin and endorphin. Delicious wholesome food, a reward for a small but important achievement for you, for example, for a morning run for laziness, will increase the level of the dopamine hormone. Hugs or quality time spent with loved ones, caring for a pet, oxytocin. Meditation, deep sleep, a walk in the park with a glass of coffee on a fine day, serotonin. A piece of dark chocolate, laughter, listening to your favorite music, fresh mint tea, endorphin. To improve the condition of the skin under stress, I advise soft peeling once a week, exfoliates dead skin cells. Self-massage of the face in the morning and evening, will improve blood microcirculation and saturate the skin with oxygen. High-quality hydration to ensure the desired level of moisture in the stratum corneum of the epidermis, day, night moisturizer, thermal, flower water, day, night moisturizing masks. Anti-stress serum with vitamin C, E, collagen peptides, amino acids, niacinamide, retinoids, evens out skin tone, smooths superficial mimic wrinkles, restores hydrolipid balance, neutralizes the effects of free radicals, soothes and additionally folds. Quality 7-hour 8-hour sleep. Enrichment of the diet with products that contain omega-3, vitamins A, C, zinc, iron, selenium. Prophylactic intake of vitamin D. Daily walks in the open air. Moderate physical activity, improves the removal of lymphatic fluid from the body. Saturates skin cells with oxygen, reduces the level of cortisol in the blood. If possible, visit a beautician for professional beauty treatments. Love yourself and your skin. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.